Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's vlog, we will bake muffins. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup white sugar, 3/4 cup chocolate chips, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup plain yogurt, 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, and 1 egg, and 1/4 cup chocolate chips for toppings. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Grease 12 muffin cups or line with paper muffin liners. In my case, I use muffin liners. Sieve flour, sugar, baking soda, salt, and cocoa powder in a large bowl. We need to sieve dry ingredients to incorporate air because air is a natural leavening agent or rising agent. After mixing all the dry ingredients, put the chocolate chips and mix it again. Whisk egg, yogurt, milk, oil, and vanilla extract all together. I will use hand mixer to whisk it. Whisk until the mixture is smooth. Mix the dry and liquid ingredient. Mix it very well. Fill prepared muffin cups 3/4 full. I like it. And sprinkle with remaining 1/4 cup chocolate chips. Bake in preheated oven until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. You may now enjoy your freshly baked moist chocolate muffin.